Want to come to my luncheon? I'm having people over for lunch. Here's a very unusual piece I found sitting in my Airbnb, and I thought, what do you do with this? I love the idea of flowers not in water for an event. So I'm going to drape my monstera leaves through there. I've got some plumosa. I'm going to take my plumosa and lay it through the hole in the center of this piece. Look how pretty it is already. It's like draping down the table, maybe even over the edge for all I know. So there's our start. Then I've got some mini callas. This is your 30-second design. There's your mini callas draping down the table, and you're just gonna stagger them a little bit. I think this is a really pretty design for a luncheon. And then, look, you can put one of these with a little bit of a wisp of plumosa on each dinner plate. Now this is called veiling. If you want to get really dramatic, you can veil all the flowers again with some plumosa. It kind of covers it up. So there's my 30-second flower design for my luncheon today. All done quickly and efficiently. I work for Baccarat in Waterford, and they give me very unusual vases. So I've got to be on my toes to make sure I make them look good and don't just cover them up with flowers. I have to make the piece look interesting. Again, if I was coming to lunch and this is on the table, I think, ooh, I'm in for an interesting afternoon. Make your flowers interesting. You could probably use this to wrap it almost. If you had a bowl, you could wrap these in the bowl. Now the ideas are flooding. So, our Flower School 101. If you want to learn how to do this and more, come to class. I'll see you there. I gotta get ready. I've got luncheon in 15 minutes.